Hey everybody, this is Dave and I am Braden's daddy. We're here to do a 2017 Bowman Chrome Baseball HTA Choice personal box for ThePhinatic. You wanted box 9? There it is. So good luck, Chris. Good luck. Oh, it did not want to come off. We've got Torrey Hunter Jr. Hopefully he's as good as his father. Get this man some color. I know. Oh, here's a nice one. Rookie auto, Ulieski Gurriel. Non-numbered. Not a bad case. I mean box. And you got some color. Blue. David Fletcher for the Angels. 2 Angels and an Astro. We got 56 of 150. We've seen one of him in the last case. I thought he might have been like Scott Fletcher's kid. Yeah, but not too shabby. Better than the last one.